Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR and we're going to be talking about my lost Boxycharm box and see what this month is all about. So you guys want to see what all those are, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep watching. Okay, so I just want to first off thank every single person who came to my live stream last night. I have the best time live streaming with you guys. It is just so much fun. Like last night we played Fortnite and Fall Guys with Paige, Jarvis, and Corey, and you guys were amazing. You guys hung out with me. You guys got to see a really cool PR box that I got, which you guys will see later on in a PR unboxing. But everybody joined the stream last night did get a sneak peek of it, but I am so excited. It was a lot of fun. I just want to thank every person who came and joined. So typically I film a Boxycharm and an Ipsy unboxing at the beginning of the month, and we're kind of late. And the reason why we're late is because Boxycharm is lost. Literally, my package is officially lost. So on June 30th, my package was shipped from, on June 28th, my package was shipped from USPS and arrived to a USPS facility on June 30th in Georgia. Then from Georgia all the way through July 5th, it was sent over to a Orlando USPS postal facility, and that is where it has sat ever since. I've been on contact with UPS. They said it's out of their hands because they no longer have the package. They delivered it to a USPS facility. I called the USPS facility and they told me, we don't know where your package is. We flat out don't know where it is. It's lost. And I was like, okay. They asked me what the contents of it were inside, and I said, I don't know. It's a subscription box. I have no clue. So unfortunately, my Boxycharm is officially lost. The USPS have no idea where it's at. It got lost in transition somewhere. Someone could have taken it. We don't know, but unfortunately, I do not have my Boxycharm this month. It's definitely not Boxycharm's fault at all. Like once they ship it out, it's kind of just up to the carriers to deliver it. So I'm not blaming them at all, but damn, I don't have my box to unbox for you guys this time. So I'm gonna look online because I know that they do like a lot of spoilers. Like there's like My Subscription Addict who does all the spoilers for Boxycharm, and they always tell you what you could possibly be getting inside your box, the different variations. So I'm gonna kind of look at that today. I also want to just quickly say happy 14-year anniversary to my husband Corey. Today officially marks 14 years that we were together. 14 years we were together. That's insane. We'll be going on 2 years of marriage, but we've been together for 14 years. So insane. Okay, so see what all the spoilers are. Okay, so looking online for the base box, that's what I was being sent, was the base box. There was going to be a Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic X-Lash Enhancer or an Eloise Beauty Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. So those are the two options that the subscriber would receive, one or the other. Then the additional stuff that would have been signed is, holy shit, so much variation. Okay, there would have been the Beauty Volte Eyeliner Black, Briogeo Fig Renewal Oil 20 milliliters, which we've gotten before, a Sayate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer, we've gotten that, Complex Culture Futures So Bright Eyeshadow Palette, Dry Bar Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant, Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm, Eloise Beauty The Sahara Nights Eyeshadow Palette, First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Gentle Foam Face Cleanser, we've gotten that several times, First Aid Beauty Ultra Pear Wild Oat Hydrating Toner, we've definitely received that before, Item Beauty Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara Midnight Mood. So I guess Item Beauty is officially coming to Boxycharm, which does make sense because that is the Ipsy brand with Addison Rae, and Ipsy and Boxycharm are now one company together, so it does make sense. There could have been a Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Definitely had that before. Kinder Beauty, Kind Breeze, Kind of Bronze. My Beauty brand Buy Me Black Liquid Eyeliner. No! The Natasha Denona Cupid Eyeshadow Palette. Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. Thank God we missed that. The Seraphine by Tentacles Primrose Plus Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. There have been the Beauty Crop Liquid Eyeshadow Duo, Trusqueak, Eye Duo, Good Vibes Mascara, and Eye Pencil. How many times are they going to send that to us? That is way too many times to send that to us. And Vitamess something Cranberry and Apple Repair Face Mask Box Set. So there could have also been, they said that Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream could have been in there as well. That seems to be the full beauty range. I do know that in Boxypremium they are putting the nude prism palette, which I think is freaking fantastic. So if you are a Boxypremium member, just know every single Boxypremium box is supposed to get the nude prism palette from Lunar Beauty, which I think is fantastic. So looking at these spoilers, I would say I definitely did not miss out this month. This month would have definitely disappointed me because I don't recognize majority of those brands. That's why I get irritated with Boxycharm. There are some months where they're just freaking fire, and there are other months they're just pure fucking shit. You're like, what the heck happened? They're either really good or really shitty. You don't know what you're gonna get. It's like, Forrest Gump. Life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get. Same thing with Boxycharm. You never know what you're gonna get. So I will say I'm very grateful I mixed out in this box. It just sucks I don't have it to show you guys in the video. But yeah, from looking on here, it doesn't look like I'm missing anything. So with that said, we are now going to unbox my Ipsy. This is my GLAM bag in GLAM Bag Plus. I do get this in PR from Ipsy. They tend to send out their stuff super early. I always get it like the last week of the month for the following month. So they send theirs out pretty early. It's just thrown in here. Okay, so the first thing we have is the $13 bag right here. It's actually kind of matching my outfit. I did not realize that, but it's super cute. It has like a little star, very beachy, very on theme. So let's see what we got in here. So the first item that we have in here is from Good Fadden MD. This is the Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. We have definitely received this before, not too long ago in a Ipsy unboxing. There's also the Rowan Kiss 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 Liquid Balm in the shade Charlie. We have definitely received something like this before. I think we're going to be having some repeats this month from what it looks like, because I definitely have received this before and I've definitely passed this along. There is a Prestige Waterproof Automatic Eyeliner in the shade Bronze, followed by the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I freaking hate this primer. I freaking hate this primer with a passion. I actually hate all Smashbox primers. I think they're just horrible. Very horrible. And then last but not least, there is the MAC Stack Mascara. Oh, that's exciting. I actually really want to try this out. I've heard wonderful things about this mascara because of TikTok, and apparently it has been sold out for quite some time. So that's exciting for me because I'll definitely have to try this out. Ooh, that is something I want to see. So this will be the only thing I keep in this bag because I just generally want to try out this mascara. Everything else I generally don't really care for, and we have definitely received these items before, but I will say this makeup bag is super cute. Super, super cute. All right, now moving on to the $27 box. The first thing I see is something from Wing Me. This is Ambitious Violet, and this is how the palette looks. Pretty boring. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm gonna sound so cynical this video. I promise I'm not trying to be. It's just like if I was a paying customer, I'd be like, yay. So here is the palette. Definitely not a color scheme for me, so I'm definitely going to pass this along. But yeah, at least I put an eyeshadow palette in here. Can't be mad about that. Next we have a Eriani. This is a balance restoring serum. This is a tea tree oil, chamomile flowers, a cucumber extract right here from a brand that I've actually never heard of. And this is how it looks. I will say the packaging though on this is actually really pretty. I actually like the packaging, but I've never actually heard of the brand before. I wonder if I can smell it. I can't smell anything. Next we have something from OC. This is an Ocean Cleanser. I've definitely only ever heard of this brand because of Ipsy. They are notorious for putting this brand inside their product. I actually do have one of their setting sprays right behind me, and this is how this product looks. It's just gonna be supposed to be a cleanser. This says that this pH balance formula removes surface impurities and excessive oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to visibly minimize pores. Nice. So I'll definitely have to try this out, see if it really works like it says it does. And it's supposed to be nice and vegan and cruelty free, which I really do like, and it's also gluten free and it's clean. So we'll have to definitely try this one out. Next we got something from Murad. Ooh, this is the Acne Control. This is the Oil and Pore Control Mattifying Broad Spectrum SPF 45 PA+++++++. Now, I've actually tried this primer before because I heard it was supposed to be really good for oily skin. I saw it at TJ Maxx. I picked it up. I've also had a subscriber send it to me. It doesn't work for me, unfortunately. I do get really oily while I wear this, and it doesn't really do much for my pores, but it definitely is nice to keep trying. I think it's really good on days that I'm not wearing any makeup to put it on, but over time, I do get oily throughout the day, but it isn't a bad primer. I would say definitely not a bad primer at all. And then last but not least, we did get something from Item Beauty. This is a Boost Juice. This is a dual-ended lash primer. So you'll have the primer side and the lengthening side. So you have volumizing and lengthening. So here is the Item Beauty right here. So I guess you'll have one side of purple, and then I'm assuming this is gonna be blue. Yeah, not what I expected. But definitely not something I will wear because I don't really wear blue or purple mascara, just not really for me. But that's cool. And then of course they threw in their little Santa sack, the little ho 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 bitch moment. So looking at this box, I will definitely say they did give 3 makeup items and 2 skincare items for the $25 value. Granted, I only know 2 brands. I don't know the other brands. The only reason I know this is because I've seen this inside of Ipsy all the time. So the only reason why I know it, but I've never actually physically seen it anywhere else. So you got 3 unknown brands and 2 name brands, which really can be a little disappointing because this box does cost $27.99 plus shipping and handling. And I do think that Ipsy definitely is notorious for putting brands in here that we've never heard of, even though they consistently tell us you're going to get name brands. Still waiting on that, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. And then I will say I really do like the makeup bag right here, even though I don't really care for the items in here, which is a little weird because typically I always love their $13 bag. I'm not really that excited about this month, but I will say I do think the actual physical makeup bag is super freaking cute. I actually do utilize these whenever I do my No Waste Wednesday. I put like all the little samples in here. I put these bags. I put like you know, I put like the mascaras and like individual items in here, and I put those in the boxes. So they do actually get a good use for me. So unfortunately, I don't have Boxycharm to compare with this box, but looking online and then opening this box, I can safely say I do think that both brands boxes this month were pretty disappointing. I don't find them exciting at all. I really enjoyed Boxycharm last month. I thought Boxycharm did a phenomenal job last month. This month, not so much. It's lost, not their fault, but looking online, yeah, not for me. And then Ipsy just keeps disappointing me. It's like they were doing so good, and then they've definitely gone downhill. I think the only good box from Ipsy is their Ipsy X. That's the only good box. Everything else, I would honestly say save your money if you can, because I just generally don't think these are worth it. I think that if you wanted to buy these, I think if you wanted any of the items, you could just go out and buy the physical item yourself instead of getting a box of items you generally might not use. So, you know, don't get me wrong, I'm very grateful to be on their PR list, but I'm still consumer first, and I view it as a consumer standpoint. And if I was paying for this box, I would not be the happiest. So I'm very grateful, but yeah, I don't really think these boxes are exciting this month. So this is a very short video. I just realized how short this video is. These videos have gotten shorter and shorter because of the fact that I get a lot of skincare now. I get a lot of skincare, so it's really hard for me to, like, you know, do try-ons and put on makeup when I'm not really given that many makeup items, like, at all. So it's hard for me to do videos like try-ons, but I will say you guys will see a lot of these items in my No Waste Wednesday. So yeah, that is it for my short video today. I do apologize it's so short, but I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Art for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband Corey, and as always, a huge thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.